We are looking for communities to work with us on a new project called Low Carbon Happy Homes. The aim of this project is to work with groups, with individuals, with families to see how we can reduce their energy consumption and improve efficiencies. There are benefits in terms of the economy, in terms of the environment and in terms of the community of doing this. Groups or individuals who want to be part of this should contact us via Facebook, via the email or with information that's on our website. Groups that are keen to make a difference on a local level but also to contribute to the global carbon agenda should get in touch. Thank you very much.